Quanzhou In-Ray Machinery Company Limited, founded in 2008, working as a high-tech, innovative, and private enterprise which combines international trade with independent research and development nowadays. A one-stop service industrial and trading company with a complete and scientific quality management system. Our company's integrity, strength, and product quality have been recognized by the industry. The company invests huge amounts of money each year to participate in various professional exhibitions at home and abroad. Alibaba and other B2B platforms, plus the company's customers accumulated over the past 15 years. What's more, it has customers at home and abroad, especially the countries and regions of South Africa, Southeast Asia, and Middle East. Main business covers two major modules. First, the self-export business provide customers with a one-stop supply chain for footwear including shoe molds, machine tools, shoe parts, and chemical products. Second, Asian export service. It has the right to import and export independently, establish foreign trading platforms for foreign customers and domestic factories, take responsible commissions, integrate the footwear supply chain platform, and provide free counseling services for domestic and foreign companies. In-Ray Industry and Trade, as the official partner of Alibaba, is a professional, localized, one-stop integrated service provider for industrial foreign trade. It is dedicated to providing one-stop foreign trade comprehensive services for SMEs at home and abroad.